Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the exact moment that hooks viewers in the first 3 seconds. Pick a 15-60-second segment with clear audio and visual focus. Once you have the timestamp, export, or download a high-quality source from YouTube Studio to avoid recompression artifacts. Make sure to reframe for vertical. Moving from 16 to 9 changes composition, so crop with intent rather than just zooming. This preserves clarity and keeps the action centered for mobile viewing. Once done with the clip selection, open your editor and set a 9:16 1080x 1920 timeline to match phone screens, then import the source. You should trim to the strongest beats and reposition frames so faces and actions sit in the vertical center. Add concise captions and a short audio punch or music under 3-6 seconds to amplify impact. Captions increase watch-through. Make sure cuts are tight, rapid pacing keeps retention, and export. You now upload the vertical file as a short. Include hash shorts in the title, a short description, and 1 or 2 targeted tags so the algorithm understands context. Once uploaded, pick a clear thumbnail frame and force enable subtitles to boost accessibility and watch time. If the platform rejects vertical formatting or you see pixelation, re-export at a higher bitrate or adjust keyframe interval. That usually fixes artifacts. Finally, monitor retention metrics and iterate on pacing and captions based on performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.